Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when you not receive the incoming calls notifications on your Xiaomi Watch S3. So first of all, we are going to focus on our smartwatch, and I'm gonna recommend you to swipe up from the watch face and be sure that the silent mode is not turned on. And this device as default is actually turned on, so be sure that you turn it off, because right now you will don't receive any notifications when when it is activated. Next, we have to move into the settings where we can find other options. So go into the sound and vibration and be sure that the ringtone is also turned on. So if for some reason the ringtone is muted, you will probably don't hear your incoming calls. But if you still have this issue and this doesn't help you, also you can find this do not disturb mode and turn it off, because with the do not disturb mode you will don't have the incoming calls on your watch. And if you still have this issue, you can try to go into the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone, and now you have to go into the device and go into the incoming calls, then enable this option, optimize incoming call notifications and show contact information. Next, you can additionally go into the app notifications and enable them by clicking right here. And also be sure that you don't have that you don't turn on this option, receive only when phone is locked. So yeah, that's all. That's the only way that I can help you with this issue. Maybe you can also try to perform the hard reset and set up your device one more time, but that's actually the ultimate step, because you will have to actually get this connection one more time. So you can go into the settings, then swipe all the way down, move into the system, select factory reset, and set up your device one more time. Right now, tell me if this works. Please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.